Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we talked about how we can install single and multiple packages in R. In this video we'll be talking about how we can load those packages, one package at a time or loading multiple packages at one time. So let's start with R Studio. So in this video we'll be talking about how we can install individual or multiple packages at one time. So in the last video we talked about installation of the package. So here we'll talk about how we can load the package. So first we'll talk about loading individual package. For that one you do library and then you can write the name of the package. Then you can load the package. So you can see here the package has been loaded. And if you want to do multiple package, then you need to give the multiple command. Therefore, to install multiple package, you do library and then dplyr, tidyr, readr, then lubridate, ggplot2, and so on. Okay.